To another development in the day, the Supreme Court today upheld the election of Wajir Governor Mohammed Abdi in a judgment that had two judges dissenting. The Supreme Court, in its majority decision, quashed the decisions made by the Court of Appeal and the High Court, which had declared Governor Mohammed Abdi's election null and void. The highest court in the country said the county boss had been lawfully elected into office and the evidence presented against him did not meet the threshold. Silas Apollo reports.
In a decision that went against some of the previous rulings of the country's top court, 4 out of 6 judges of the Supreme Court ruled that Wajir Governor Mohammed Abdi had been validly elected in the 2017 elections.
First respondent is Senior Counsel Mohamed Abdi.
The 4 judges whose rulings were read by Justice Smokin Wanjala said that the question of whether the governor qualified to run for office was not a matter to be determined by the court, but by the IEBC.
In all pre-election disputes, including those relating to or arising from nominations, all pre-election disputes, including those relating to or arising from nominations, should be brought for resolution to the IEBC or PPDT, as the case may be, in the first instance.
The petition, which was filed by the county boss, had sought to overturn judgments that had been given by the lower courts on grounds that they were not based on any legal ground. Governor Abdi had also sought to prove that he had indeed qualified to run for the governorship position, having attained a bachelor's degree, which is a basic requirement for every contestant. And the majority of judges, who included Justices Njoki Ndungu, Jackton Ojwang and Mohamed Ibrahim, agreed with him.
First respondent decided to ignore or overlook the clearly established constitutional mechanisms for resolving pre-election disputes until after he had lost the election.
Chief Justice David Maraga and Justice Isaac Lenaola, on the other hand, disagreed with the governor. They argued that since his academic qualifications had been in dispute, his election was null and void.
I find that the trial court's conclusion that the conduct of the election fouled the Constitution and affected its result is well-founded on evidence on record.
The top court has been on the spot over the delay in the delivery of the decision, the case having gone for more than 1 year. The petition was the last governorship case at the Supreme Court. Silas Apollo, NTV.